Imagine a world where complex ideas break down into simple, digestible pieces through the magic of animation. Welcome to the realm of how-to animations, where knowledge takes a visual and engaging form. Ready to dive in? Let's crack the code together. Step 1. Define your concept. The first stop on this exciting journey is identifying the skill or knowledge you wish to share. This choice is your compass, guiding the direction of your animation. Step 2. Script your narrative. The next step is to translate your concept into an engaging script. Remember, your script is a roadmap, guiding your audience through the terrain of new knowledge. Keep it clear, keep it concise, and let your personality shine through. Step 3. Create your storyboard. Now it's time to visualize your narrative. Draw out each scene, plan your transitions, and ensure your storyboard is easy to follow. It's the skeleton of your animation, providing structure and flow. Step 4. Set your tone. What's the mood of your animation? Whether you opt for a laid-back vibe, an intense tutorial, or a comedic twist, your tone should permeate every aspect of your visuals, animations, and narration. Step 5. Design your visuals. Here's where things get really exciting. Create eye-catching graphics, use vibrant colors, and intuitive animations. Remember, your visuals are the heartbeat of your animation, captivating your audience and making your content memorable. Step 6. Master your animation techniques. Smooth transitions, attention-grabbing effects, and zoom-ins on essential details. These are the tools at your disposal. Use them wisely to bring your audience right into the heart of the action. Step 7. Voiceover and narration. Your voice is the soul of your animation. It sets the rhythm, adds personality, and breathes life into your visuals. So narrate with enthusiasm, clarity, and a dash of flair. Step 8. Incorporate text and callouts. These are your signposts, guiding your audience through your tutorial. Highlight key points, use annotations, and remember, your visuals are there to support your narrative, not overshadow it. Step 9. Add music and sound effects. This is where you layer in the ambiance. Background music sets the mood, and sound effects add that extra punch. But remember, they should enhance your animation, not overpower your narrative. Step 10. Edit like a pro. In the final stage, you'll bring all the elements together. Trim the excess, tighten up your timings, and polish your animation until it shines. Don't shy away from making cuts. The final product will thank you for it. And there you have it, the art and science of creating engaging how-to animations. Remember, it's all about defining your concept, scripting your narrative, creating your storyboard, setting your tone, designing your visuals, mastering your animation techniques, voicing over with passion, incorporating text and callouts, adding music and sound effects, and editing like a pro. So, what's stopping you? The world of how-to animations awaits. It's time to unleash your creativity, share your knowledge, and make your mark. Until next time, keep animating.